Welcome to this technical guide on the ASUS K513E. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your ASUS K513E barely lasts through the day, it's likely that the battery has degraded over time. Lithium-ion batteries, like the one in your laptop, naturally lose capacity after repeated charging cycles. If this issue is not addressed, you may find your device shutting down unexpectedly, which can lead to data loss and further complications. To get started with the battery replacement, you'll need a few tools. Gather a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a small flathead screwdriver, and a new compatible battery for the ASUS K513E. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Next, place it on a soft surface to prevent scratches. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel of the laptop. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, carefully use the plastic opening tool to pry the back panel off. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the clips. Now that you have access to the internals, locate the battery. It will be a rectangular component usually secured by a few screws. Carefully disconnect any cables attached to the battery, noting where each one goes. This is crucial to ensure you can reconnect them correctly later. Once the cables are free, unscrew the battery and gently lift it out of its compartment. When placing the new battery in, make sure it fits snugly and reconnect the cables in their respective places. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After securing the new battery with screws, it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it correctly and press down gently to snap it into place. Finally, reinsert all the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened but not overly so, as this could damage the casing. Once everything is in place, power on your ASUS K513E to check if it recognizes the new battery. If the laptop starts up without issues and the battery indicator shows charge, congratulations! You've successfully replaced your battery. To prevent this problem from occurring in the future, consider using your laptop on battery-saving modes when possible and avoid allowing the battery to drain completely on a regular basis. Keeping your device in a cool environment can also prolong battery life. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.